안녕하세요, Kisha.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Nagklase mo ron day? Nagklase mo karon? Okay. Kandit lang ni ha. So I'm here to deliver your 2 pizza and you also have Jollibee. 1 basket. Kira. And that is from Ichanguning.
이창구님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
바이바이.
안녕하세요, Bidang and Shaira. Okay, good morning. Okay, klase mo rin din, no? Okay, kadit lang ni ha. So, I'm here to deliver 1,000 pesos for Bidang and for Shaira also 1,000 pesos, and you will gonna purchase it in the store of Teacher Merlinda, and Teacher Merlinda will take a video. Yang inyong i-purchase na inday, mga pang house needs. Pwede sudan, pwede pang kaligo or anything na magamit sa ninyo sa inyong balay. Okay ra? And that is all from Bekchurining.
빅주님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Jendi and Ria.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Good morning. Wag mo mata. I'm here to deliver 1,000 for Jendi and for Ria 1,000 pesos, and you will gonna purchase that in your house needs. Okay ra? Kung sudan, pangkaligo or anything magamit niyo sa inyong balay ha. Nya i-purchase na ninyo inday ara sa sari-sari store ni Teacher Merlinda, and Teacher Merlinda will take video while you're purchasing the item. Okay? Okay ra? Okay. And that is all from Bekchurinim.
빅주님 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
바이바이.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Ngauna mo. Eat well. Eat well. Ma. 감사합니다. 함성실님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Busog? Hi, Kin! Hi! Kay patadira? Busog na.
안녕하세요. So, my mother just finished eating dinner, so we are going to eat fruits, and this fruits is from Kim Yong-su님. Kim Yong-su님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for my mother's fruits. So, for tonight, she will eat grapes.